y'all, we are out here today at Dollywood Splash Country. We already have quite a few videos on our channel from Splash Country, but I'm just going to take a walk around, show you some of the things that, that Splash Country has to offer. We love this water park. We love our visit, so come on, let's take a stroll. To start off with, they do have some of the ducky decorations that are also over at Dollywood for the summer celebration. The big River Pavilion is open, and here's their menu, and looks like that's also included in the meal plan. The big River Pavilion is located up here with Tailspin Racer. This is the new splash pad area that in our construction tour, we saw it and it was unfinished. They were still pouring concrete, but this is it. Thanks for joining us for our little tour around Splash Country. I hope I showed you some fun things. We've got plenty of other videos on our YouTube channel from Splash Country, so I'll be sure and put a couple of those right here and right here. So be sure and check those out. And hey, while you're at it, give us a big thumbs up and follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for a lot of little short things and photos and stuff that don't make it in the YouTube vlog. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.